Hi guys, let's see Angel's guidance behalf of this new week. Have you asked your angels for help with this? Just a minute guys. Okay, now it is clear. Your angels want to help you with this situation. However, they require your permission before they can intervene in your free will choices. So maybe you're stuck in some or the other situation and you're not understanding how to come out of it. And here's the first question that the angels, that the divine, the universe basically is asking you. Have you asked your angels? And let me tell you one thing guys, when we take birth on this mother earth, we all have a set of guardian angels. We can take their help. These guardian angels of us are always ready to help us. We just need to give them a call. Just close your eyes, just pray to them. They will come for your help. Some of you may also feel them around you, and some of you will feel when your things will getting they will start getting sorted out, or else they may appear in your dreams also. God box. And here's the message: write any worries, concerns, or desires on a piece of paper that you put into a special container called a God box as a way of letting go and allowing the divine to help you. So, another solution for whatever you're going through, and I don't think so I need to explain it because this is the answer basically, I would say, for y'all. Let's start writing. Keep a separate container and name it as a God box and start writing whatever your concerns and worries are there. And just keep an intention that you're letting go it. Like you're not focusing on it. By after writing it, you are letting go it. You're releasing it, and let the divine work accordingly. Indigo. The person you are inquiring about is an indigo, meaning a highly sensitive, natural born leader. So here's the answer for you. Maybe you have got attracted towards that person just because of their energies. This is what I would say, because some people have those divine, angelic energies, that aura of their, that they attract everyone. So this is the answer for you. So take it as it resonates. Let's see. And I'm taking another card, and then we'll move to other deck. Ascended Masters. Powerful, loving, and wise spiritual teachers are watching over and guiding you. So, if you feel that whenever you are stuck in any situation, but some or the other way you feel that you're finding out a way, so this is the actual reason that your ascended masters are guiding you, because they are watching you. And this is all because of your good karmas, after all. That's a great thing. Fairies. You have a strong bond with the fairies, and your life purpose involves helping Mother Nature. So wake up and just start serving your life purpose, your soul purpose. Mediumship. You have a natural ability to connect with the departed loved ones. So you might be having this experience, like with respect to your life or to others' life, that departed souls come in your dreams and all everything. That is just because you have that ability. So if you wish to help these departed souls, because they are coming in your dreams because they want to convey something to their family, you can do a professional course on it. You can make it as your profession, or you can help these souls as a, part of a, what we say, just helping these souls who are not able to communicate directly like as we are communicating, right? Because you will get a lot of blessings, the good karma you are adding if you do this. It is on the other part, but if you wish, it's a free will. You may move ahead. Raise your energy, raise your vibrations, raise your energies, and see the difference in your life. This is what has been said. Focus more on positive. This is what has been said to you. Go out and explore. So maybe you're someone who are just sitting at home, or maybe wherever you're from, but for you it is said that go out of the house, explore, or go to some new places and explore, go on a solo trip, explore. This is what has been said to you. Find the magic in the mundane. This is a complaint of so many of people that they are bored of their regular routine ordinary life and all. But in this particular life, if you see from other point of view, there is a magic. Find that magic in this life also. You can be creative about it, you can become more creative, something unique, something you love, you can do that. Other than this, it will get that joy in your life, even though you are going with the same routine life. This is what I'm seeing over here. Don't hide your shadow side. Well, weak point of each and everyone, almost each and everyone, this is what I would say, that they try to hide their shadow side. And what is shadow side exactly? Something that we do not wish to confront, that is within ourselves. It can be anything, it can be some triggers, it can be a lot of doubt, queries, lot of negative the negativity, that is negative thoughts, or as such it can be any sort of trauma or so. It can be anything, but something that a lot of people, they don't have guts, frankly speaking, to confront their shadow side, to work on it, because it brings triggers, it triggers it out, that is why. But don't hide, work on it. This is what has been said over here. Make yourself proud. Beautiful message. So, in a very good way, in a positive way, do something like this, that you feel proud of yourself. People, please don't bother about it. Make yourself proud of. Be playful. So, in this life of maybe mundane that we saw currently, also try to be little playful, because there was a message came over there that find magic in this mundane also. So be little playful, take time out for yourself, socialize more, make friends, do masti, madak masti and all we say, right? uh, some naughtiness. This is what I would say, in a good way. Well, I'm not promoting any sort of something unusual over here. So be playful. And with this, I am ending this angel guidance for new week. So if you like the video, like it, comment it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.